Hi, my name is Bree, and today I'm cooking day 13 of the cookie advent calendar. I am making Ranger cookies today. Alright, it's a handwritten recipe. We're going to need shortening, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, eggs, flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, oatmeal, Rice Krispies, coconut. And then I noticed on the back after reading the whole card, you're going to need brown sugar, margarine, which I'm going to use butter, and milk, because these cookies have an icing on it. When I first pulled this card out, I never looked at the back to see if there's more ingredients. I'm going to have to start doing this for my girls' recipes. So we're going to bake these, and then I guess we're going to make an icing for these cookies. I'm not sure what Ranger cookies are, but they seem to have a ton of ingredients. Last time I made a cookie recipe from her that had a ton of ingredients. I think they were sweet potato cookies. It was absolutely amazing. So I'm hoping for the best with these ones as well. All right, step one is you're going to cream shortening and both sugars. And then you're gonna add eggs. Okay, add vanilla and eggs and cream well. All right, so let's go ahead and go with the shortening. We're gonna need 1 cup of shortening, which is the whole stick. Makes my life easy. And this has been just sitting on the counter because I just bought it, so it seems to be soft already. Yeah, it's pretty soft already, like soft and butter would be. And I touched it as normal. Okay, so then we need 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Oh no. Guess I'm gonna need a spoon. Also, I'm like filming this at like, whatever, 3 in the morning because I'm still jet lagged and not used to our time. So it's quite fun. My brother-in-law's, well, my entire family's gonna wake up and be like, how many cookies did you make while I was sleeping? Also, there is a giant mess, so if they woke up right now, they would see a huge mess from all the cookies. Next is 1 cup of brown sugar. This is where I'm getting kind of nervous because it seems like it might be a lot of work to cream all this. But we shall see. I normally just have all my mixer creaming it. And it doesn't say to pack it, so we're just gonna do whatever. I'm just gonna shove it in there. It's not like I get an accurate measurement anyway. And we're gonna call that 1 cup. There is no way I could smooth that out. Just gonna dump it in there. This is gonna make a lot of cookies. I'm predicting. So if we read, oh, it says 5 to 6 dozen cookies. Oh my goodness, I hope we all like them. Okay, so what I'm doing first is like smashing that shortening down to try to make it easier to cream with the sugars. And then like this bowl isn't quite big enough to like really go at it, because then I would get sugars and stuff all over me, so I gotta do this gently and slow. Probably just gonna push pause and or speed time it for you guys so you don't have to watch me do this forever. I'll show you what it looks like after it's creamed. So spreading these cookies out was with the back of the spoon just like pressing them down was a good idea, because then they got like the nice even round. They just did spread out just a little bit, so give them a little room. This is slightly still warm, but it's soft in the middle, it seems like. I only baked mine for 10 minutes, and they do have like the golden brown on the bottom. I think if you went to the whole 15 minutes, it would be a crispier cookie. They're really good. I can slightly taste the coconut, but not overpowering. I can't, it's hard for me to tell that they're oatmeal cookies because there's a cup of oats in them. But they are very good. We do still need to ice these. So I was curious as to what they taste like before we did the icing. Now we do need to make the icing, but I need to finish cooking the whole batch before I want to do the icing. So I got like half this giant bowl left to cook. So that's gonna take me probably like another 20 to 30 more minutes to cook all of that. And then I will begin cooking the icing with you, and probably while the cookie's cool, we'll make the icing and then we'll start icing them. All right, now that I've got so many cookies, here's the other portion, and they're all cool, it's time to make the icing. We need 9 tablespoons of brown sugar, 6 tablespoons of margarine, we're gonna use butter though, and 3 tablespoons of milk. So we got the butter. It says heat together and bring to boil. Cool. And then add powdered sugar. There's no powdered sugar in here. Okay, I guess we're guesstimating the powdered sugar. It says, cool. Add powdered sugar to spreading consistency. Okay, well, we're gonna figure that one out as we go. Okay, so we're gonna do 9 tablespoons of brown sugar. This cookie is turning out to be like 1,000,000 steps long. It better be worth it. I've never made this icing before, so I'm hoping for the best. So 9 of these. I'm also probably gonna have to get more brown sugar because I didn't factor this into my ingredients. Why can't we figure out how much exactly 9 tablespoons of brown sugar is? So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lovely. Okay, and then 3 tablespoons of milk. Got a gallon, but I'm not gonna do it over here because I don't wanna ruin that. See how much I overpour. Yep, see, look. 1, 2. I mean, I don't know what was in that cup, so I can't use that milk. 3. I would have thought about it. I could have if I used a clean cup, but I didn't. Okay, so now we're going to heat together and bring to a boil and then cool this. So let's go do that. Here's what it looks like in there. And travel with me. Oh, I almost burned the camera. Don't do that. Okay, so low flame. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. So we got, want the flame to touch the pot. All right, let's find another spoon. Or not. Bring this to boil. Let's try to chop sop up that butter to make it work in our favor a little bit. Melt faster. Oh, please. Now it's stuck on my spoon. Come on, you can melt. Also, I don't know what kind of icing I'm making. But it better be good. It's looking like a caramel icing. Maybe it's caramel. Get off, get off. I got this chunk of butter stuck on this. Just wanted to melt. Shouldn't take that long to boil. So as soon as it boils, I guess I'm just gonna pull it off. And then I guess I'm gonna go open the powdered sugar. Like, how is this not an icing consistency already? Just asking. Watch, I end up using like a half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm trying to sit here and think how much powdered sugar I will be using. Because I don't want to be like, put in a spoonful and then that's too much. I really feel like I'm just making caramel, by the way. Caramel on top of those cookies. But I'm doing it, so. Also, I'm wondering if this is going to be like a hard glaze. Because I won't like it if it's a hard glaze. Hey, we're almost to boiling. So if you're making this, do not step away from this. You will ruin it. You're probably like, how would you know? You've never made this before. I know how sugar goes. You burn it quick. We're looking for large bubbles, and that's boiling. This is like, this is a hard simmer. We're almost to boiling right now. Oh, we got the large bubbles going on. Okay, I'm gonna make a mess, turn this off. And now we gotta let it cool. And then we add the powdered sugar. So I'll be back with you when it cools. Okay, we've got this cooled down. This is the consistency. It tastes like caramel. It is caramel at this point. I don't know why we're doing this, but it says put the powdered sugar in there. So here we go. I'm gonna start with however much just fell in the container. Just in case you want to see. I mean, it's already an icing, so I don't know what I'm looking here. It's spreadable. I suppose it's not like very firm. Maybe that's what we're looking for. Whoever is the author of this recipe is making me really not want to eat it. I don't like coconut and I don't like caramel, so let's combine them to make something else. But I'm sure somebody will like it. My son really loved the cookies. He already tasted them playing. It says spreadable, so I think this is like too thin yet. Oh, that was fun. I'm just doing like 2 tablespoons at a time so I don't overdo it. It is turning like this lighter color. So I'm just going to take a knife and see, is this spreadable yet? Let's try it on a cookie. Oh, it spreads on a cookie just fine, so we're going to call that good. And now I'm coated in powdered sugar. That's fun. All right, so we're going to start icing these. And then I guess we're just gonna see if this turns into a hard icing. Hopefully it's not too hard because I don't want to eat a hard icing. All right, I'm gonna ice all of these cookies and then I'll show you how it firms up. Right, the icing has cooled. It's not super hard, it's a little soft, but it is caramely, so it's still delicious. My son, who loves coconut and caramel, absolutely loves these cookies. I had to make him stop eating it, so I'm sure he's going to eat the rest of these. Well, hopefully not in one day, but over the next few days he'll probably finish them off. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.